What's up, traders? It's been a wild week so far. Been doing a lot of stuff, but back to you making another video on trading this volatile, wild market. So we're seeing MYT, the stock we got in around 185 is where we got in. We saw this bull flag. Now, when you see these pops at the end of the day, okay, normally it's going to continue after hours and throughout the day. So as you see right now, looking at time and sales, spiked in the morning, you can sell there. But we want to be patient with this stock. Draw trend lines, where's support at? Right there. You see it having trouble getting above this $2 area, but once it did, it broke. Now, you see it trying to pull below this $2 area, but it cannot. So that's support. So we got strong support on $2. Let's look at the daily. We're going to go into a lot of stocks because I haven't made a video in a while. This stock is looking to gap up to about $2.20. So as you see, there's really no resistance. You got some resistance around $3, and then the rest, smooth selling to, $4. So we're holding this stock, and we want at least $3 out of it. Okay, trade your risk management. Don't worry about anybody else's. Don't worry about trying to get the huge wins. Of course, we want to win big, but we also want to be smart and take profits, okay? What else? GBR. GBR went crazy the other day. $5 pre-market. What's up with that? So when you see this, you know that it has to bounce. You know when you get a pullback like this, it has to bounce. What do we buy on? Pullbacks. Why? Discounts. We buy in good prices. Let's look at IDPN, and let's talk about before we move on. Let's talk about sympathy. So GBR, INDO, these are all in the same sector. GBR, INDO, MXC hasn't ran yet, so you may want to keep an eye on that because all of these stocks in the same sector start running at the same time. Okay, that's called sympathy. Traders sympathize, or other stocks get volume and get price action from other stocks. Okay, what else are we looking at today? Let's see here. IDPN. All right, now this IPDN, this stock actually got some action from a PR. But let's look at what leads up to it. Okay. You get a pop, you get two spikes. Let's look at this. Look at these. Somebody knows something. Somebody knows something, and then today, look at the news. We get a PR. Announces a partnership with Follow Network to develop a privacy protection blockchain. So this is a Bitcoin play. Everybody's getting in on Bitcoin. That's going to send the stock as far as it wants to go. BRN, another energy play. Look at this. Circuit breaker to $1.99. At some point, this is going to run again. Okay, so what you want to do is set an alert where there's resistance or where it needs to get past again, and when it gets there, you can buy because the stock is normally breaking out at that on those levels. Okay, let's talk about after hours plays now. Jan, we see Jan 1. Of course, first of all, it has a tiny float. It has a tiny float, okay? So when you look at Jan, look at the fact that it has a million share float, and then you're looking at a stock that's in the pharmaceutical. So you're looking at COVID-19 plays. You're looking at different clinical trials, phase 2, phase B. There's a lot of stuff going on with Jan. So when you see that combined with, let me get here. Let me go here and bring you some FinViz. So I normally have this ready. When you go and you look at the fact that the stock has a tiny float, then you can be confident that this stock is going to continue running, because what do all these stocks have in common? They have a really small float. Look at this, 1 million shares. You got 1 million shares available to trade. What's GBR? What's GB? Wrong button. What's GBR? 2 million shares. What was ACY? We didn't even touch on ACY yet. And the circuit breakers and all of these stocks have been running 1 million shares. Okay. We traded ACY the other day. Now, we sold out. Look at this pop. Okay. Once you see a stock pop pre-market, okay, you're looking for it to go above that level. Once it goes above that level pre-market, then you can be confident that this stock is going to continue to break out. We got in at $6 and got out at $12 or $11. We got out on this 1 minute candlestick. So make sure that when these stocks are running, let me bring up the 1 minute, that you confirm. You want to always get confirmation. It's not going to come up. It's not going to pull back as far as I need it to. You want to get confirmation. This stock just for a minute dipped. It dipped below where I wanted to, just for a minute, and then it shot up. You don't want to leave all this on the table, okay? You want to get a bigger piece of that move, especially when it's not going down. There is no circuit breakers downs. So you gotta hang in there to get the big gains, okay? Don't get shook out. What else? UUU. I'm going to talk about UUU. We got in UUU at $4.30. $4.30 is where we got in on UUU, okay? So, you know, basically we're looking at a play where, you know, again, what's the float? What's the float on UUU? I got this. Okay. We can talk about so many because they've been running. I haven't made a video in a while, but so UUU 1.6 million share float. What does that mean? If 1 million share float stocks are running, what do you think this is going to do? So it popped 430. We got in on this first little dip, ran up, closed at 460, and then ran to $14. We sold at 12. We sold at $12 the other day. Yesterday, once we got in it. All right. And then, of course, bad things can happen if you hold too long, or if, you know, weird things go on with the stock. When these circuit breakers come up, they have to, the company has to release a statement saying why the price is moving. Okay. And when they do, and they say there's no catalyst, this is what happens, you know. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. More videos coming soon. Join the Discord. Sign up for coaching if you need coaching. Don't let a few dollars keep you from thousands. Don't let hard lessons in the market that I've had to learn over a 15-year trading career. Take advantage of that. Take advantage of you know, the charting, the candlesticks, the hot sectors, the scans that we do over and over and over to bring you the best stocks. Get in our private group. It's only $99 a month. We also have smaller programs, coaching session as well, that start at $15. Get a good understanding of the market. Don't make silly mistakes like other traders have on their way up. Go ahead and leverage the knowledge and the wisdom from years and years of experience so that you can be more profitable and put more money in your pocket. God bless. Have a good one.